On the 16th of November 2023, the Rabon Sing Kharsuka Memorial Committee marked the 113th anniversary of the passing of Khasi writer Rabon Sing Kharsuka, renowned for his significant contributions to Khasi literature. A commemorative event had taken place at Maumlu Sora, where Dr. Streamlet Dakhar, the head of the Khasi department at the Northeastern Hill University, was the chief guest. Notable attendees included the NPP member from North Shillong, Ransom Sutnga, family members of the late author and various invitees. During the event, Dr. Streamlet Dakhar reflected on Rabon Sing Kharsuka's impactful works spanning Khasi religion, folk tales and fiction. She highlighted Kharsuka's deep connection to his community, emphasizing his identity as a Khasi first and a Christian later.
Midap da gajing smoken hagani gapor gajing rakhe yaga jingdap shispa khalai snem gajing club no jong I pahep Rabon Sing hakba iksir tun jong I la yoban kla shaka Khasi yagani do got the fables and the fictions di menta kasngi la plat ba yagani do got but ngini ai gajing thap tilang baro nagamta gani gajing play karat Hakadi kapor nga syukwa ban kamban ya kawai ka benta kamtam habang ikren ya Rabon Sing kom u lungwiar perkat jang kaniam Khasi nilayos ngo nagajing kren jang I ksiutun mene ba upahep Rabon Sing ulong ubalada ulong uriungit niam Kristan But ula imru ya kata ka jing im Nrei ki ba uya kendo ha ka jing im Habaw ban ya lam ya ki laingut ki missionary Man pet ya kani ka Jaka ka puta ka jangi Chujarang kat kum na ki records ki bang yo Kashank mi purthai kabala record de I ho kadi ka jong serdik Evans Henry I la tho I Frank Martna piu kabia day but ka ka jing snow ka jong upahep Rabon Sing haba uyo I bakini ki sahep missionary ki bayu I ya kanyam ka rukom kaba u Khasi tan rai upendap ule hakani kisnong maumlo bar kiwai di ki jaka hakini ki than sora